Hello everybody. I'm just gonna to show you how to use my ship pack. Every ship have a controller. So when we select our ship, we can change the speed to open the sails and give it a little more wind, to rotate it, and in this example to drop the anchor. And every ship have it. So we can open sails and move it left and right. If ship have a cannon doors, over here in the parameters we have a cannon door. We can turn it on and cannons will show up. When we don't need it, we can just turn it off. Every ship which has this triangle sail need to be flipped. So when we open the sails, and want to rotate it, we'll need to flip it in the code, so it will move on the right side. And the same cannon ready to fight. Every ship have four sets of colors. We can go to the materials, choose the material for the ship, and inspector. In the material we can choose the set. It's based on the UV maps, so if you will need to change it, you can do that directly in the Blender in your 3D software. And sails have different materials. It has 6 materials. Every one is different colors. We have white, green, red, black, blue, and orange. And we can just drop it on our ship. We can make different patterns. We have a two set of patterns. And if we will use the same materials on this two different parts, we can make a whole color. And the same with every sail. So if you want to have your black pearl, choose the 4. And now you will be ready to fight. I made these models thinking about the top of view. So I hope you will have a fun with it. And have a nice day.